So Kranium continue for this up back Carib Music Awards. Viewers and subscribers, the entertainer made a post his IG story and you can clearly see the entertainer had showed the award in the garbage bin. Yeah man, and him tag Carib Music Awards. So the post says hashtag Carib Music Awards. Garbage is on Tuesday. Eat this, me done with the conversation. Yeah man, the entertainer continuously at this up the award show.
Good morning. So me get for Anderson say Caribbean Music Award. Take back your award from Kranium. After 1 week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 24 hours now one day. And so when I take you 10 minutes after all the game and say a mistake. After a week, I style on the style, man, I know exactly what I do. Kranium, care go long dash on their face. Make sure somebody pronounce your name properly, you know, because I don't call about the name right. Yeah man, care go the dash on their face. And if they say ever win in the future, tell us you don't want it. Tell us if you go take care and show up in them. Kranium, care go dash on their face. A style and style, that's a big disrespect. We don't know exactly what I do. A disrespect or a disrespect, man. You can't man, they call you no bad down for nothing. And uno just get up and feel like you know a style, man. So it don't look good, it don't look good, it don't sound good. When you look in a situation, around a situation, between a situation, in a situation, it don't look good. Kranium can't dash on their face. Yeah.
So now we have Foota Hype, a break silence, and remember your viewers and subscribers, Foota Hype had a problem with the award that they gave Kranium in the first place. So I don't know what Foota Hype I go say about this now.
Who did you remember when me there? I'm going to talk about Caribbean Awards. I'm going to say me not like how them get Kranium R&B artists. Like when Kranium turn R&B artist, when? Me not understand, me never like that category there. Remember? Remember? Me don't know so them and Kranium have problem. Me don't know that. Me just see something and me see say something alright. See, me know something alright. And say R&B artist. Either them a style genre, a dancehall, and reggae, or them a style Kranium, or something alright. But where R&B jump in? Big dancehall artist Kranium. You know, and see them now Kranium and them a war. See, and me don't know a way. Me don't know the full story. You see me I say? But it just people, you see me's a youth where me can see things. And March 12 my born. It's like I have a spirit that can show me things like me can feel certain energy and certain vibe. And me telling them say, although me like how Caribbean Awards set up, me like how it a get the look, me like how it a get the support, corruption in it. And me telling them say, even with me, corruption in it. Cause you hear Kranium tell us say the category where them want give now not even did exist. I see them so them do me. Them not nominate me, so me can't win nothing. How me go win social media person of the year if you not nominate me? How me go win selector of the year if you not nominate me? Or if I'm not nominated, me can't win. So them not bother nominate me. And that's true, me don't want to talk certain things, but me know corruption in it. And if them want the award show they for work, they have to take them feelings out of it. Yeah. Because the little one will say him get molested for 7 years, a film friend them keep it. So if you and him not good, them try style the thing. When me I show them say it has to be authentic. You can't say Caribbean Awards. Foota Hype is the biggest name when it comes to social media for the entire Caribbean. Remember, analytics might show you somebody will get more views than me now, or somebody will might have more followers than me. But when you check the algorithm, nobody from the Caribbean in a social media world don't mention more than Foota Hype. Them now have more clickbait than me. Them now have more reposts than me. It don't happen. You understand? And me are the most talk about person on social media in the entire Caribbean. Everybody else have them moment. I right through them talk about me. Right through. If them talk about an artist, them have to mention my name. If them talk about illness, them mention my name. If them a talk about relationship and break up, them call my name. If them a say bad mind, they call my name. If them say corruption, they call my name. If them say selective, they call my name. Nobody. Just show me one person from the Caribbean who is more talk about than me. Just one. One dege person. None. So if you got have social media award and them thing there. Oh, Foota nominated.
Yeah man, some viewers and subscribers just leave on the take down in the comment section. Yeah man, Foota hype a break silence and Kranium continuously disrespect the award show. But you can't rank Kranium because them disrespect him, them embarrass him, and you don't know Kranium is a public figure, whereas he's an artist. So everybody I go see the disrespect where Kranium get. You see me? And remember, them take the award and give it to Dexter Daps, and them take so long if you reach out to the artist and make him know, say, yo, they made a mistake. So, yo, that's alone disrespect to the artist. You see me? So, you can't rank Kranium. So, just leave on the take in the comments and make me know what you think about this. As always, big up on yourself and remember, leave a subscribe and, catch you in another one.